So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for cryptography and network security, week 1 assignment 1. So the first question is, a traditional crypto system consists of dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is C, 5 tuple. And now let's go to our question number 2. Let PCK denote plain text space, text space, and key space respectively. In shift chipper, P equal to C equal to K is equal to 1026. If the key for shift chipper is K is equal to 12 and plain text is 21, then chipper text is, so these are the option, and the answer for our second question is B, 7. And now let's go to our question number 3. Kesar chipper is an example of, so these are the option, and the answer of our third question is B, mono alphabetic chipper. And now let's go to our question number 4. Shift chipper is secure. The above statement is true or false. So the answer of our fourth question is false. And now let's go to our question number 5. The key space for Wigner chipper of length m is a positive integer is, so these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is A, Z26 to the power m. And now let's go to our question number 6. Which are the most frequently found letters in the English language? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is C, E, T. And now let's go to our question number 7. If the sender and receiver use different keys, the system is referred to as dash. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is P, asymmetric system. And now let's go to our question number 8. Dash is the concept that tells us about the replacement of every alphabet and the entire series gets shifted by some fixed quantity. So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is D, shift chipper. And now let's go to our question number 9. Suppose the chipper text for Caesar chipper is SDUWB. Which of the following is the corresponding plain text? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is C, party. And now let's go to our question number 10. Cryptography works for, so these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is D, all of them. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.